Guys, take a look at the state of that. It's a mess.
Yeah, I've got them, babe.
Have you got them in? Can you send them? How much are they for both of them? I deserve it. I'm tired. I am knackered, look. I got all of my equipment on my back. Home time. Time to get out of here, man. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode from Salvage Nation. This episode, we're back on the budget E93 build and we're picking up exactly where we left off in the last episode. Hopefully, fingers crossed, we're going to be completing this car. We're going to be painting, we're going to be doing so many different things. But first, there's something wrong with the suspension. When I drove it in and out the garage, it just didn't feel right. So I want to take it next door to multi-car repairs. They're going to put it on the jack and they're going to have a little inspection because I want to order some parts whilst we continue the paint work. I don't want to wait. So we're going to go next door, figure out what's wrong with it, and then bring the car back here and continue with the paint prep. And then we're going to be laying down some paint and hopefully taking this car out on the first proper journey, top down, and enjoy the summer sunshine. So if you want to see that, watch it to the end. Let's go. Be careful here, yeah? You're tight on this side. Go, 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 go. Perfect. So guys, let's get this car up on the ramp. I want to see, I've got a feeling that one of the shocks are gone. It just feels very, very springy. Yeah.
Why are you lifting up with the jack?
Because it's too low. I think one of the shots are gone. Okay, boss man. Yeah, got it. No worries. Just worrying about me. Guys, all the suspension components looks fine. We're gonna put on a set of new shocks. We're just gonna check for any play in the bushes, check for anything that's bent, broken. We can't see anything.
2 rear shocks and 1 up.
Okay, cool.
2 rear shocks.
2 rear shocks. Flexi pipe.
Flexi pipe.
Yeah.
It's not really good.
Not too bad. And then later on we can sort out that flexi pipe and the rest of the bits on the front, but that's for later on. Thank you, Zaf.
Oh, no.
We're gonna bring it back down to multi-car repairs. Guys, if you need anything, multi-car repairs, best in the game. Let's get it. Hello EU, calling from multi-car repairs. How you doing? I've got a reg for you. I need 2 rear shocks for a BMW E93.
Yeah, I've got them, babe.
Have you got them in? Can you send them? How much are they for both of them?
£54.
For both?
Yeah.
No way. Okay, can you send them down as soon as possible, please?
Multi-car Homerton.
Yeah, multi-car Homerton.
Okay.
Cheers.
Right, cheers,
Bye.
bye.
Bye. 50 quid. Come on. Let's get it. Alright you guys, so it's the next day here. I've got the BMW back in the garage. You saw on the phone, we made a phone call to the guys over at EU Parts. And check it out, we got 2 of these shock absorbers for 54 quid. We're gonna get these on the car, but check this out. Oh. That suspension should not be so springy. And what it is, on the suspension on this car, you've got the spring, and then next to the spring, you've got the shock absorber. The shock absorber is meant to make the recoil, or when the spring compresses down and it goes back up, is meant to smooth that out and dampen the effects of that spring. And it's not doing its job. Now that could be because of the mileage, or it could be, this car's got 120k on the clock. It could be because of the mileage and just general wear and tear, or it could be because of the accident. It could have nicked the seals on that old shock absorber, all the oil could have leaked out, and then there's no oil, so it's not going to do its job. Anyway, whatever the reason, we're going to be swapping those old ones out and getting the new one on, and then I'm going to take it for a test drive. I want to sort out this side of things before we get onto paint, because I don't want to be mixing the oil, and after the car is painted, I don't want to be dealing with the oil and all of that. Let's get those new shock absorbers on the car. Guys, take a look at the state of that. It's a mess. I'll show it to you a bit more once it comes out. No wonder. No wonder. Completely gone. Wow. Gone. Complete everything gone. Yeah. So that's why it wasn't working. All the oil leaked out. So out with this one, in with this one.
Eventually.
So guys, we ran into a little bit of an issue. If you look, this is the new shock absorber. It's gone into that hole right there. I don't know if you can see that yet. So it's gone into that hole, and at the top, it's got these top mounts. So it's basically sandwiched like a biscuit. You've got the top nut with that washer attached, and then it's gonna have this rubber biscuit right here, and then it's meant to have a metal bit that goes in. But have a look, it's all just corroded, busted, and then the metal components of that top mount is all rusted. So I've had to go ahead and make a phone call to Euro Car Parts, and to be fair, it's only £15. It just means that everything is delayed. So we've got a new part coming in. This is going to be here in about half an hour, so I'll catch up with you once everything's all done. Alright guys, so look, 1 hour later, this is what we needed, and as you can see, £11.74. This is the metal sleeve and the rubber biscuit for the top of that suspension. So let's get this on the car. Oh yeah, you see how high it is now? Alright, so guys, check me out. Have a look at the new wheels we've put on. These are just some old BMW wheels that we had lying around. We removed these ones because we're going to be removing the tires and getting all of this sanded down, sanded flat, and then we're going to take care of those. We're going to be spraying those matte. Actually, we're going to be spraying those gloss black, but check it out. So now you can put 2 fingers in that side. If you go around to this side, have a look, 2 fingers, they go in the same. Now it's not sitting as low as before. And I'm sure it's still gonna bed in, but it's doing a lot better. When you put some weight on it, it's not going down as much as it was before. And that's the result. It's been a long old job, this one. Don't know this hair, everyone's just taking a break at the moment. We're just gonna take it around the block and see what happens. When is it gonna be ready?
Monday.
Monday, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, Monday. It's now, what's the day today? Thursday. So by Monday, we should have this car 100% ready. All right guys, so with everything done, I'm gonna take the car out, take it around the block and come back. I'll be back in 2 seconds. Ten times better. Noddy, try it.
100% different.
It's a bit better, isn't it? Yeah. I'm going home. I deserve it. I'm tired. I am knackered. Look, I got all of my equipment on my back. Home time. Time to get out of here, man. Time to go relax. Time to enjoy the sunshine. So guys, there you have it. We got through quite a lot in this episode and I am happy with the progress that we are making. Let me know what you think. If you like this episode, press the like button. And this is where we're gonna wrap this one up. In the final episode, which is gonna be next time, we should be finishing everything on this car. Akil is actually on holiday, which he well deserves. So when Akil is back, he's gonna be laying down some paint. We're gonna be putting all the finishing touches. We're gonna be spraying those alloys. We're gonna be doing so much and we're gonna wrap this build up. And then it's gonna be time for another road trip coming soon in this build and some of the other builds as well. But if you wanna see all of that, subscribe to the channel, make sure your bells are on, and this is where we're gonna head off. So like I always say, keep it moving, and I'll see you in the next one. Guys, thank you for watching. Click here to see what YouTube thinks you should watch. Click here to watch one of my previous episodes. And like it said there, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We out.